Welcome back to the Lottery Detective. Today we are going to be working with triples. We have triples and primary numbers of association. Now, someone asked me about is triple coming because they have had the 1, the 5, and the 7 for 2 days straight. I look for a combination of numbers, and mainly it would be the 019 or the 157. I've stated this in a video in the past, but I would suggest you look for a combination of numbers, and a lot of time not necessarily they're going to come in your state. They can go to another state. But anyway, let me show you how this chart works, and it's quite simple. The 5, the 1, and the 7 here, and the 715, I notice in the rundown, this is basically numbers that are in the triple rundowns. Go back to video 147, 148. The threes show the 3 digit that they were inquiring about, and the nines. Now, what I want to do is go to this little table chart here on the side and find my 157 family. And this is what I go to do. All I do is trace it all the way back up, and it would give me triple fours, triple nines, threes, and eights. Now, why do the extra triples? Is because all numbers connect, and these are family members, and they act as one. Now, in the triple nines, we see we have the 517 and the 012, this family. Now, if I want to go to the triple fours, I can find the 062, which belongs to this family, and the 567 that belongs to this family. And the threes, we see that we have the 210 here. Now I'm going to go to the eights, and I'm going to look for the family member again, the 260 and the 765. And that's how we trace our triples. And we trace it to these four triples. Now, another point I need to make clear, semi-triples, they're not doubles, but we have in the triple zeros this morning, we were looking at Florida 055. Now, we cannot find, let me flip it over quickly, and then I'm going to go back and zoom. Later, and let you see the whole workout. The whole workout. We have our 819 and our 932 in Florida. Now, in these triple zeros, your rundown, you see no 189 or the 930, even though we have 505 here, 505 here, 505, but we do not have 055. But when we know our matrix using the 123 formula and your 111 formula or your 5 matrix, you will get 055 eventually as a mate. So here is our 189 here, a 3 being converted with your matrix. If you're new to this channel, we are using matrix. A 3, this can be a 8, a 1, or 9. And this is what we're looking for, this number and this number of family. These are family member. And 932 and 437 was in that rundown. Now, I wanted to let you know within the fives, we do have 2 zeros instead of 2 fives. Now, when you find and looking on doing your workout and you notice 2 5s and 1 0, it's associated with triple zeros. If you find that you are in your rundown and working with your numbers, you will look for 2 0. If you find 2 zeros and a 5, it's associated with triple fives. And that's the way you should identify all your triples. You need to know that information. Now, with the Florida rundown, let me go again. And it was your 1, 3, 4 family. I'm doing it in that order, the 189. And that would be here, the 189 family. I trace it back up, and it's associated with triple five, zeros, twos, and sevens. Also, it's the 2, 3, and the 9 also. I can look here and find those family members and trace the number all the way back up to what triples may be is associated with. Okay, that here it is here. Because you're not going to see the 3, the 2, and the 9 in the rundown with the zeros, nor the 5. But I will show you how you're going to find it. And let me zoom this back down for you. And then you can see the whole thing. And it's in your semi-triples. 819932 055. This is where you find the mates. And that's why you need to know your matrix, your 1, 2, 3 formula, your 1, 1, 1, and using your 5 to convert all your triples and finding out which family members they connect to. So this is all I have for you, because there is no, if you notice, there's no triples even in the rundown with the semi-triples. Only with the triples themselves you would get a semi-triples. But a lot of times when you do your semi-triples, it will not connect at the halfway point. You will find no triples in any of the semi-triples. It's only in the triples that you will find the semi-triples in, and you will find other family members. So don't forget that you have to go a little farther than triples than just doing a workout on the triples themselves. You have to go find the mates and the family members and to identify what's in their rundown also. Because remember, triples have no crossover. They have no strong point. The only thing they connect to are primary numbers and other triples and semi-triples. I thank you for watching.